Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I will show you how to unban from WhatsApp quickly on Android in detailed steps. So, let's start the video. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. How to unban my WhatsApp from a temporary ban? If you receive an in-app message saying your account is temporarily banned, your WhatsApp account is banned for a limited period of time and will be reinstated soon. A temporary ban is more like a warning from WhatsApp that your activity might not be adhering to their policy. So, to get unbanned from a temporary ban, log out from and delete unofficial apps that mimic WhatsApp. Cease scrapping activities. You may wait it out until you're able to use your account for temporary bans. During this time, review WhatsApp's terms of service and make sure you're not breaking any rules. If you think you have been wrongfully banned and can't wait till your account is reinstated, you can appeal to WhatsApp support by visiting to https://www.whatsapp.com/contact/no-client. lang equals n_US. If your account is banned permanently, you'll see a message saying this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp. Permanent bans are mostly irreversible. However, you can appeal for it in order to get your WhatsApp account unbanned. To do so, open the app, where you'll see a screen informing you of the ban. Click on Contact Us. In the text field, write your appeal. Clearly state that you believe your account has been banned unfairly and request a review. Be polite and professional in your communication and include relevant and complete details that may help your case. Once you've written your appeal, click Send. It may take a few days for WhatsApp to respond, so be patient. So, this is all about how to unban from WhatsApp quickly on mobile in detailed steps. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.